What's the meaning of Chrimbo? Chrimbo. Chrimbo.
Chrimbo. Chrimbo. Chrimbo is a slang term that is often used as a playful alternative to the word Christmas. It originated in the United Kingdom and has gained popularity in various English-speaking countries. The term is typically used in a lighthearted and informal context, and may be used to express excitement or anticipation for the holiday season. While the term carries no significant cultural or religious meaning, it can be seen as a way to add a bit of fun and humor to festive celebrations.